back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you already subscribed, welcome back. Today I'm finna introduce y'all to this. I want to say this. I'm gonna say my new favorite app on Rumbl, now called Rizzle. Before we continue with this video, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying my content, getting these views and subscribers up. If you fuck with me, why not stay for the long run? So let's get into the video. Okay, so I just want to start off because I got some notes here. I ain't want to forget nothing, so I just want to start off with what Rizzle, what Rumbl, now known as Rizzle, is about. So Rizzle is a short video app for short series. You can watch, create, and share videos for free. No people like free stuff, so I know y'all got excited when y'all heard that shit. You can also monetize your videos. This app is often compared to YouTube and TikTok. Okay. I'm going to start by I'm going to start with my likes. What I like about the app. So the first thing I like about the app is that it's easy to build following. The more videos you post on this app, the more followers you gain. Like, if I really wanted to probably be at 10,000 followers in 2 weeks, I probably can really do it on this app if I really post like probably 50 videos a day. Because it be short videos, and some people really be on there posting 50 videos a day. So it's easy to get views. As soon as you post your video, they already promoting your video on the app. Like, I love their algorithm. Like, as soon as you post a video, it's like popping up on people's front page. And also on there as well, like, say if you don't want to come up with your own questions or your own content that day, they have it where you can go on there and pick questions to answer, and you can just choose a question, do a video on the question. Your video stays on that question, so if somebody go to that question, they can see your video. Okay, just that quick. Views, like I said, it's easy to get views on that app. Another thing I like is, like I said, videos get promoted faster on there. The algorithm, I love the algorithm. Okay, another thing I like, you can also add your other social medias to this app. Like, my Instagram is hooked up to this app. My Twitter is hooked up to this app. My YouTube, Facebook is hooked up to this app. Like, and it really, I feel like the more views you get on this app, the more people view your page, and then they want to know more about you. If you posting content that they like, they're gonna go to your other social medias and check you out. Another thing that I like is that there's no comments. You can't post no comments. It's just videos. So if you want to respond to somebody, a video somebody created, or just a question that someone asked, or anything on there, if you want to respond, you have to do a video. And that's what I love about it, because on most social medias, people be hiding on fake pages. They want to get in the comments and say negative shit and just get on there and be a bully. But at least with this app, you have no choice but to do a video. Okay, and some people still be on there, like, don't be having their face in the camera and just be talking, but I think that's kind of weird. But, you know, there's people out there that do weird shit like that. Yeah, so simple things I like. That's why I say, if you are, it don't matter what you're trying to do. Like, I feel like this is a good app to promote any type of business. And to have fun on. Like, even if you just get bored and you just want to do videos, want to go watch other people's videos, I feel like this is a good app. You know, they got different type of shit on here. People do all types of videos on there. Yeah, so I want to talk about a little more. I want to get a little more into this. It's often compared to YouTube because you can actually create channels on this app. Like, I have a total of, how many channels? Because I know I just got I got a total of four channels on this app. And before I get into my channels, I just want to let y'all know my current stats on this app. At this moment, I have 261.9k views, and it's probably more now, but because this was I wrote these stats down like sometime last week, so it's probably more now if I go check it, because this is what I wrote down last week. I planned to do this video last week. So I have 261.9k views, channel views total. That's my total views for all my channels on this platform, and I have a total of 7,072 followers at this moment. And I could have more if I just started back doing a lot of videos on this platform. So like I said, if I go check it out, I probably got almost 10,000 right now, 10,000 followers. So yeah, so it's often compared to YouTube, because like I say, you can create channels on there, talk about anything. Long as they like it, they're gonna watch it, they're gonna react to it, they may respond with another video. So I'm gonna talk a little bit into it, because this video is supposed to be short, so I'm gonna just talk a little bit about my channels. Okay, so I had a total of 4 channels. One of my channels is Real Talk. On that channel, I do nothing but real talk. For this channel, I just pick questions on this platform and just answer it on this channel, and just speak real shit, like real opinions, real shit. My other channel I have is Let's Talk YouTube. On this channel, I talk about nothing but YouTube, the videos I have coming up and stuff like that on that channel. My next channel I have, it's called Let Me Vent or Encourage You. On this channel, I just vent randomly about random shit, and I also, just get on there and encourage people that they, with anything, about anything, or whatever the spirit lead me to say. You feel me? So yeah. And last but not least, this channel I just recently created, and on this channel right now I got probably like 50k channel views on this channel already, and it's called Short Entertainment, and it's really like short entertainment videos, like videos I recorded on TikTok, Instagram, like any platform I ever recorded videos on is on this channel, the Short Entertainment channel. So it's like skits, dances, random shit. But yeah, that's a little stuff, little things about this app that I love. Like I said, I love, like, once y'all download this app, it's called Rizzle. I'm gonna put the link inside the description. I already told some people about this app. A lot of people are asleep on this app. If you're trying to build following fast, trying to get views fast, you're trying to get your content or whatever you're trying to do out fast, Rizzle is the app for you. Okay? Thank me later. Alright, so I'm about to end this video. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I said hope y'all enjoyed. This one like talking fast. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, and don't forget to follow me on Rizzle, y'all. Follow me on Rizzle. Follow me on Rizzle if you love my content. So more videos coming soon. Until we meet again.